kitchen. When I first saw those ingredients, I thought, is it possible to throw out food you haven't even eaten yet?
Hey! Are you going to take down all the drinks?
Hey, good shit for my mom and dad.